So dito guys, sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa kanilang Japanese section. Actually, parang newly added ano to mga dishes nila. So previously nasa 649 pesos sila.
Ano lang sila nun? One serving ng sashimi.
Oo, one serving.
Ngayon, 699 na sila. Unlimited.
Unlimited. So they turn it into unlimited. Yeah.
Okay, Japanese.
More sashimi. So as soon as you enter, ayan, meron po tayo ditong front desk. They're gonna assign yung table ninyo, and then pag-exit natin, dun pagbabayad. Guys, check this out. Grabe, ang laki nito. So they have a section here, yung kanilang mussels and oyster. So later on, balikan natin yung oyster if available na. But for now, look at this. Ang laki. So big. Alright, let's try it. So that one is their sweet and sour mussels. Alright, so ayun guys, natikman na natin kanina, kaya medyo uwili pa yung bibig natin guys, kasi nga nakakain na kami. Ayun sila, medyo busog na yan guys. So trabaho natin ngayon, introduce sa inyo isa-isa ano ba yung mga sinerve nila. Could be kasi on a different day, mga iba po yung mga makita ninyo. Mayroon tayong pizza, mayroon tayong spaghetti. For kids, may mga hotdog and fries. Ito yung kagandahan dito guys, meron silang ribeye carving station on a daily basis. So that's on their walang lunch or dinner. So available any day. They also have butter garlic shrimp. Meron din tayong sweet chili mussels, crablets, king dao spare ribs. I think this is Chinese. Crispy kare-kare, which is Filipino. Roast beef in mushroom. 3 kinds of mushroom. Bestseller yung lechon paksiw guys, tingnan nyo. So kanina punong-puno yan. Ngayon they refilled it I think twice na. Parang 2 beses na silang nag-refill. Mashed potato, look at this. Instead of chicken joy, meron silang enjoy fried chicken. Lumpiang Shanghai for Chinese. Alfredo pasta. And then they also have fried rice. Soup section is also here. Dito sa section na to guys, notice na dito yung mga desserts natin. May mga cakes, may pastries. Even for kids, may crepes. Guys, fondue, donuts, fruits, meron din tayong ayan, iba-iba, pineapple, papaya, watermelon. And then yung section na to, this is my favorite guys. Look at this. So medyo bawas na yan, pero kanina at the time na pagdating natin, this is actually full. So they have sushi, sashimi, maki, ayan, iba-iba. And then they prepare it here. Ito yung mga ano natin, mga fresh catch fish. Alright, so this is Enjoy Restaurant Asian and Western Premium Buffet.